Is your keychain starting to look like this? Have you bought those rigid plastic keycaps and tried to put on a large key? It's not going to happen. Suzanne, tell the viewers what we have in store for them today.
Well guys, I invented a brand new all-in-one stretchy keycap and tag called Label Keycaps. So you can go from that big mess to this organized chain of wonderfully colored keycaps. And no, they're not just your regular keycaps, and this is why. They stretch over the big keys, the weird shaped keys. And why have extra key tags hanging around? Why not just put the key label directly on the head of the key so you have your label, key, cap? And that is how you go from that complete distressed mess to organization. No more stress at all. You can buy these on Amazon, eBay, and on our website, labelkeycaps.com.